Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ZOTAC new RTX 5060 Ti series graphics card with two models. The ZOTAC has announced GeForce RTX 5060 Ti Twin Edge OC and 5060 Ti 16GB AMP graphics card. So friend, the RTX 5060 Ti, which is a 180W TDP graphics card and does not need bulky triple slot and triple fan cooling solution. It's mid-range card. Although many believe in the entry-level GPU and it should not need powerful cooling for what it is designed to represent, and Zotac seem to fully aware the two voice has developed six graphics cards of this voice and has developed six graphics cards carrying a very similar look like and similar features. In short, their series are split into AMP and twin edge models, and the latter being the first RT50 lineup. The all six cards are designed to dual slot and all cards are SFF ready. So friends, the all six card feature 8-pin power connector and Zotac seem no need for 16-pin connector and as a low power GPU, and the 180W TDP can easily be supplied through the PCIe connector and 8-pin power connector and delivering up to 225W. But nothing is that for the RTX 4060 Ti series, and Zotac did not something. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.